Hello everyone! In this video we'll see how to make stir-fry noodles. In this recipe I have used rice noodles. You can use any variety of noodles and vegetables as per your liking. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First let's cook the noodles. Heat 600 ml of water in a thick bottomed pan and add in 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon salt and bring to a boil. And boil until cooked. Now strain the noodles. Pour cold water to cool the noodles down. Drizzle some oil. Mix lightly and set aside. Next, to a heated pan, add a teaspoon of oil. Add in 400 grams of cubed paneer or cottage cheese. Season lightly and saute. Avoid tossing the cubes as they may break. Instead, let them brown undisturbed on each side before gently turning them. Once golden on most sides, set aside. Now, in a deep pan, heat 1 teaspoon oil. Add in 1 thinly sliced carrot. Season with a pinch of salt and saute. When carrots are slightly tender, add in 1 cubed capsicum, one teaspoon of pepper powder, one tablespoon apple cider vinegar, quarter cup vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 teaspoon minced garlic, half a teaspoon grated ginger, 2 teaspoons chili garlic sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed in 2 teaspoons of water. Mix all this well. Now add in the fried paneer. One tablespoon honey and the cooked noodles. Mix this well. Garnish with white sesame and serve hot. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss our videos.